In a Beijing kitchen, a block of soft tofu meets a sharp blade. The goal? To turn it into thousands of silky threads, a test of patience, precision, and pride.
We can take Western plating styles, incorporate Chinese flavor profiles, and blend the ingredients using Western techniques, presenting this fusion to foreign guests. When they taste it, they will experience the essence of Chinese flavors woven throughout, expressed in the most complete way.
This is Huaiyang cuisine, mild, balanced, and famously boneless. It has been a quiet weapon of Chinese state banquets for decades. While Chef Luo has hosted guests from Japan and Australia, his former colleagues have cooked for leaders at the highest level, including the 2017 dinner for President Trump. But diplomacy changes the menu. Luo explains that state banquets avoid large portions and heavy spices. Instead, they offer gentle, accessible flavors that showcase China's finest ingredients without overwhelming foreign guests.
Every bone, every fin, every spine is removed, so that standing before our foreign guests, we embody the craft of eating fish without encountering a single bone. What goes into their mouth has absolutely no bones at all. That is the kind of skill Huaiyang cuisine has.
Take this gourd-shaped duck, deboned, stuffed, and reformed. The technique mirrors a temple. Luo compares his craft to Beijing's Temple of Heaven, where ancient wooden halls stand without a single nail. From the knife board to the state table, soft power, served one boneless bite at a time.